going to do a quick video showing the comparison between the two versions of the Flywheel cage with the quieter cage. Personally, I nearly always use hands-free headphones or wireless headphones. These things are tremendous silent safaris. I couldn't recommend them too highly. So that's one thing, but if you've got a house with a bit of an echoey room, this is an echoey room, or if you have neighbours or the wife or the husband doesn't appreciate the noise of the rowing machine, then maybe you can consider using the quieter version of the Flywheel. Okay, so this is the standard of the cage. This is the standard version. Just take a few strokes. Okay. Okay, immediate comparison. Quieter version. Okay, so hopefully within the limitations of the iPhone microphone, that gives you an idea. There is a slightly reduced resistance on the quieter Flywheel cage, maybe the equivalent of just one notch. So the top end resistance is slightly lower, but as you can hopefully hear, there's a big difference in the noise. Okay, good luck.